Mimi? Kitty, kitty. Wow, you're nice, kitty.
Hey, you're not gonna. Hello. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so. Are you hungry? Are you hungry, little lady? Yeah, are you hungry?
Are you guys hungry?
Her. If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my god!
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
Raven, show me your pretty nails. Ooh.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way you make
Look at this belly. It's so chunky. I'm so sorry.
Leo, listen, we need to talk. Kiss another cat. I'm sorry.